high-tech semiconductor, also very high-quality medical system. But Taiwan also has very wonderful cultures, include our yummy food, also very traditional culture. Today, we want to share something for you. This idea is from Seiko Lee. His children's experience. He think about this is very warm. Everybody get together. Also, for modern society, we should get together. So tonight, we're not in plaza of temple, but you can imagination. Here is temple, okay? So here is plaza. So now we also have a banquet together. So enjoy tonight. Thank you.